right, ladies and gentlemen, in this video, we are going to learn how to initially make your first deposit, create your account, and connect that account to MYFXBOOK. All right, so let's go ahead and begin. First thing you'll do is log into your Hugo's Way dashboard at hugosway.com. You must be verified and have submitted all of your documents in order to get to this point. Once you submitted your documents and gotten your documents approved, your identity verification and address verification, you simply click on deposit funds, select the wallet, USD, or Euro, GBP, Canadian, Australian, or Bitcoin if you simply want to trade in Bitcoin numeric value. So I'm a USD citizen, so I selected USD. Next, you'll select your type of deposit. The easiest and fastest, in my opinion, is Bitcoin. So you'll simply select Bitcoin. Once you selected that, you simply enter your deposit amount. All right, I deposited $200 into this account. I simply pressed proceed. I'm not going to do it again, but I did press proceed. But matter of fact, let's go ahead and press it again. It'll take you to this screen in which you'll have your Bitcoin address. Send the requested amount of Bitcoin to this address and your deposit will appear and be approved within hours. They can approve it. Sometimes they do approve them as fast as 30 minutes or faster. So anywhere from 30 minutes to a few hours, give or take, your deposit will be approved and cleared down here. All right, I deposited 200 in Bitcoin. The value of Bitcoin did change, so the approved amount was 184. So it's the best to deposit this all simultaneously. Click your deposit, buy your Bitcoin, make your transaction. Once you've made your deposit, I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. New deposit. Once you have made your deposit and it's gotten approved, you can come over to My Accounts. Create account. Select your account type, your currency, your leverage. Create account. That information will then be emailed to you. All right. So you then go over to www.myfxbook.com. Here we will register our accounts to record our trade history. Simply click on portfolio, add account. Well, first of all, you'll need to create an account here on MYFXBOOK if you do not already have one. I already have one, so mine was already logged in. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one. Then next, you'll click portfolio, add account. Here I'm in add account, select my account. The best, fastest, and simplest, in my opinion, is MetaTrader 4 Auto Update. You'll type in your account name. This account I'm creating now is actually for my wife, so I'll put in here. Wifey's account. / the currency matrix. All right, broker. I'm using Hugo's Way. Now, if you're not using Hugo's Way, you just simply find whichever broker you're using. It's a real account. Now I'm going to go to my email and get the information from the account I just created. Give me 1 second. information. Now, here you're going to use your investor's password. You're not going to use the master password. You don't want to give them access to trading privileges. You want to give them the access to history privileges. Once you've done that, you'll create an account and it'll be connecting your account. It'll take a few moments. Now, as long as you've provided the correct and accurate information, your account will successfully be processed. And you'll simply click Take Me to My Account. As you see here, there's been no trading history here, so there's no information to provide. That's okay. Now we'll log into MetaTrader 4 using the master password. Okay? So give me just a moment and we'll go over to MetaTrader 4. Now here on MetaTrader 4, we'll do the same thing. We'll log into our real account. And now, again, we'll use our trader password. See the login. Here we have successfully logged into our account. As you see right now, the balance says 0. So now what we'll do is we'll have to go back to Higo's Way. Once you're successfully logged in, let's go back to Higo's Way. Go to internal transfer. We're transferring from our wallet to our MetaTrader. Transferring $150 to my trading account, my MetaTrader account. I'm leaving $34 in the wallet. All right, successfully done. Now for verification, let's go back to MetaTrader 4 and we should see our account balance. Now we have successfully created an account, we've successfully deposited to that account, and we have successfully connected to MetaTrader 4 as well as MYFXBOOK. So from here on out, we're ready to trade and we're ready to document our history. So moving forward, once you've completed these steps, you are now ready to join the live sessions and proceed to generate income. I look forward to seeing you on the next live session. Happy trading.